Hello everyone, this is Dan Gramza and welcome to Gramza Market Studies for Tuesday, May 26th. Greetings from Singapore. The issue, as we discussed yesterday, that going into yesterday's session, the critical piece would be how it moved. What was causing that buying, profit taking, new buyers coming into the market? The behavior over Monday and Tuesday would give us that answer. Well, it's not healthy. This kind of follow through that we're seeing here in the NASDAQ, not a good sign for continuation. It actually also sets up the potential for a sideways market. Right now, it would imply a lower day for today's action. So again, the behavior that we're going to see here today is going to be critical, I think, in terms of assessing a longer term perspective for that market. For these markets, I should say. Let's take a look at the currencies. We can see in the euro it did back off some. It did get softer. We're looking for a little bit more of the same. Swissy did the same here as well. I think the one I want to talk to you about is the British pound. This did trade back through that green line. The difference between that red and green, that magnitude is 245 ticks. If we look at the Canadian dollar, that's also trying to knock on that door there for that buy point. Be interesting to see how it performs, but not really looking for a bigger move. We're looking for more of a sideways move out of that market. And when it comes to the interest rate market, short end of the curve is soft. 10-year and 30-year cautiously long. It's struggling at these price levels. Metals, well, gold, we're finding a little bit of buying coming back in here. The difference between that red line and this green line and gold is $32. Also, I've had some questions regarding gold magnitude. Each dollar in gold is $100, to give you that reference. Silver. In silver, that difference between the red and green line here is 78 cents. And in our friend Mr. Copper, this market is starting to move up. It's at a critical level here right now. Follow through is going to be a big deal here for this one. I think the next 2 days are going to be critical for copper. Crude oil, very quiet. Natural gas, getting through that green line there on that one. That's 20 cents is the difference between the red and the green line. Big deal here. Big deal. It's where we found buyers before. Are they here? Well, today may tell us. And let's move on to the ags. Beans did trade back up through that buy point. That difference here is 5 cents. And it did break back down to that sell point, so it would create another short position. That would be a concept that we could look at there. But we're looking for more of a sideways market in beans. Corn, I think we've got to be cautious on the long side. Wheat, I think, also is setting up for a sideways market, more so than it is a dramatic move to the downside. Well, that concludes today's market studies. Hope you have a good one. Looking forward to being with you again. And in the meantime, take care.